Hello everyone, it's Joe from OnePageZen.com, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to boost your website's performance by configuring Cloudflare CDN. So as you can see here, I just ran a performance report for my domain OnePageZen.com, and I'm coming up a bit short in a few areas. Under the page speed tab here, you can see that I'm getting a low grade for leverage browser caching, and under the Why Slow tab, you can see that I'm receiving a failing grade for add expires headers and use a content delivery network. So by the time we finish this tutorial, you should have high letter grades for all three of these criteria. So let's get started. So the first step in this tutorial is to head on over to cloudflare.com and click on the sign up button in the upper right hand corner of the page. And now enter your email address that you want to sign up with. And click the Create Account button. And then add your website. So my website is onepagezen.com. And you'll add whatever your domain name is right here. Click on Add Site. All right. Now click the Next button. We're going to choose the free plan. So click on Confirm Plan. Confirm. All right, so the next thing we have to do is we have to look over our DNS records, and these look good. So we're going to click Continue. And now we have to change our name servers. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this first name server, and I'm going to go to my domain name provider where I have my domain onepagezen.com registered. I'm going to scroll down, and you can see here I have my existing name servers listed. So I'm going to remove all four of these. All right, now I'm going to paste that first Cloudflare name server. I'm going to go back to the Cloudflare page and copy the second one. I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to click Accept. All right, now I'm going to wait a good 5 to 10 minutes for these name server changes to take effect. All right, so after you've waited a good 5 to 10 minutes, go back to Cloudflare and click on the Continue button. And it looks like the new name servers aren't recognized yet, so I'm going to wait for a little bit longer and check again. All right, so I've waited a few more minutes, and now I'm going to recheck my name servers. And perfect, it looks like it is active. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is scroll to the very top of the page here, and I'm going to click on the crypto icon. Now for the SSL setting here, I'm going to use the full strict setting. Now the reason I'm using the full strict setting is because I already have SSL configured on my origin server. So if you don't have SSL already configured on your origin server, you should be using the full option. There are benefits to using the full strict option, and I go over those in the full version of this tutorial at onepagezen.com. So be sure to read over those. I've included a link in the description to this video. So again, since I already have SSL enabled on my origin server, I'm going to use full strict mode here. All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the caching icon here. And for browser cache expiration, I'm going to set the setting at 1 month. Okay. And that does it for our Cloudflare settings. So now the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to GTmetrix here, and I'm going to retest my domain here. So I'm going to click that retest button. And I'm doing this just to make sure that the new CDN and caching configuration is being recognized. So as you can see here, our page speed score and YSlow score went up. And you can see here under the leverage browser caching that we have a 100 score, which is excellent. So that changed. And now under the YSlow tab, you can see that we have the Use a Content Delivery Network has a 100 score, and the Add Expires headers has a high score as well. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out this tutorial at OnePageZen, where I go into a little bit more detail about the different SSL settings available to you on Cloudflare. And also, I go into more detail about expires headers and cache control headers. Thanks a lot for watching.